Today we're going to learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. Let's dive in. Here I am in Microsoft Excel. Over on the left-hand side, I have a table with book titles and their prices. And over here, I have a list of books and I need to fill in the price. Now here, I need to know the price of The Art of Focus. I could look over here and see that it's $17.25. So I could type that in. But hey, I don't have time for that. There's a bunch of books I need to fill in. So instead, let's use a function called VLOOKUP, short for vertical lookup. If you'd like to follow along, I've included a link to this workbook down below in the description. To enter a formula, we start by typing an equal sign. This tells Excel that what we're entering is a formula. Next, we type the name of the function. This one's called VLOOKUP, so let's type that in and open the parentheses. Right below, Excel gives us a helpful hint showing the arguments we need to feed into this function. The first argument is the lookup value. We want to know the price of The Art of Focus, which by the way is an amazing read. So this is our lookup value. I'll click on this cell and it inserts the reference. Then we type a comma to move to the next part of the function. Now it's asking for the table array, the table where it should look up the data. That would be this table over here with all the book titles and prices. Let's highlight the full table, and that inserts the range into our formula. Another comma. Next, we need the column index number. What's that? It's just asking in the table we selected which column contains the value we want to return. Well, book titles are in the first column and prices are in the second. So we want column 2. Let's type in 2, comma again. Finally, Excel wants to know if we want an approximate match or an exact match. In this case, we want to find The Art of Focus exactly as it's written. So we'll use false for an exact match. Let's click on false, close the parentheses, and hit enter. And look at that. The price of The Art of Focus is $17.25. Not bad for a book that might just change how you work. We've got the price for The Art of Focus, but there's still more to do. I need to look up the prices for The Psychology of Money and Think Like a Monk too. Let's try copying the formula down. Click this fill handle, and boom, the prices fill in automatically. And that's how you use VLOOKUP in Excel, a super handy way to search through your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.